Tight, she fi gimme the, head to the floor, girl, gimme the, bend over, girl, and give